Okay, so end up before I end up my video discussion, I have here additional information in connection to my discussion in lesson 5. So during the start of the Philippine Revolution in 1896, so I forgot to mention that the eight rays of the sun on the Philippine flag symbolize also to the first eight provinces that revolted against Spanish colonial rule during the outbreak of Philippine Revolution in 1896. And these provinces were placed under martial law by the Spanish authorities during the outbreak of Philippine Revolution that happens in 1896. The eight provinces represented by the sun rays are the provinces of Manila, Cavite, Batangas, Bulacan, Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, Tarlac, and Laguna. So these provinces are collectively honored for their early and active roles in the fight for Philippine independence. So that would be all, and good afternoon.